To be able to scale all 35 high peaks in the Catskills was never a concern to me. My relationship with the mountains started and stopped with snowboarding. Until a few years ago, when I started hiking to find lines to ride down. The more I got into splitboarding, the more hiking became a thing. And of course, hanging around the Queen of the Catskills, the natural progression would be to explore the high peaks. So I just got to Windham not too long ago. The trailhead is off 23C. I just came to the resort real quick to see the foliage. I got notes. There's a nice man on the internet that has done most of these hikes and has directions. It says drive east on Route 23. Watch for Elm Ridge parking and crossroad on the left. Why do I feel like I drove too far? Oh! There it is. Morning, morning.
How you doing today?
Good. You?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Nice. All right, so the goal was to be done with this hike by noon. That shit ain't happening. Trail on the other side of the road, just opposite the crossroad. Bum, 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 bum. The trail crosses over a wetland. All right, so the next point is the kiosk. Onward. The hikes I've done so far, Julie or Stephanie were always stewards for me. I'd follow their lead as they knew way more than I did. For a moment, I contemplated whether or not if I could do this on my own. The fear most certainly kicked in, especially after this friendly encounter. How's it going? Morning. Good. How are you? All right, have a good day.
Nice day.
Yeah, you too. Take care. This nigga had a fucking gun, bro. What? Stay on the main trail, which gets steeper, but at Windham Forest to a trail junction. The Elm Ridge Trail intersects. Heard you, Papo. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, they're over here too. Oh my God. Oh, it's even better up here, fam. Oh, camera, you gotta see this. Nah, bro. There's a lean-to on the right at this junction. Hun. There used to be a journal here. What happened to it? Somebody done snatched the journal? That's crazy. So I guess this is what he's talking about. The woods turn from hardwood to pines and then back to hardwood. The area under the lines can be spooky. The fuck? There are plenty of routes to avoid. Okay. Huh. Many routes to avoid. My notes talked about wetlands multiple times throughout the hike, but it's been so dry this fall that I've yet to notice any water at all. Ooh, okay. All right, I see, huh? A squirrel just scared the shit out of me, bro. Imagine just hearing this out in the distance, and it's just like progressively getting louder, and you're just waiting, you're just waiting for your death. Come to find out it's just a squirrel. with like a piece of wood in his mouth. Camera, you're not gonna do it justice, but you gotta see this. With about 1.5 miles left past the spooky pine forest, the terrain in fact did get steeper. And my internal estimate as to how much time I had left was way off. But just when I was ready to call it quits, and apparently there's another viewpoint. Is there? Is this the summit? After this viewpoint is the summit of Windham. Do not turn around here, as the next viewpoint is only a few. The Catskills, is this it? Is this the summit? Is there like a sign or something, bro? Am I bugging? The fears that I had when I was climbing up the mountain went away, and taking in the colorful landscape was my only concern. I checked off another high peak today, with a lot more to go. Here's to another adventure.